Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the tuples, right? So today we'll be going with the set basically. Let's get into the definition part. So what does the definition part say here? A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. So it is an unordered collection of unique elements. So it contains only the unique elements, right? So it does not contain duplicates. It is an unordered collection of unique elements. Sets use curly braces, right? So just keep this in mind. Sets use curly braces. They automatically remove duplicates and do not maintain order, right? So they automatically remove duplicates and do not maintain order, right? So just keep this in mind. These are very important, right? So let's go with a very simple example here. Let me create a set. I'll just give the variable name here, my underscore set. So this one, it consists of the curly brackets, right? So I'll just go with some elements here. One, double, two, three, three, yeah, one, double, two, double, three, right? So let me go with here. Mm, let's display the set. I'll just go with print. So this will be, let me pass the variable name here, my set. So we have to get the output 1 2 3. So it says here sets uses curly braces. They automatically remove duplicates, right? So they automatically remove this one duplicates means here this one 2 is repeated here, right? So 2 is repeated means we have the duplicate for 2, right? So we have the duplicate for this one as well, 3 as well. So we have to get only the unique elements here. We need to get the output 1 2 3, right? This is fine. Next, let's add an element. Let's add an element. So we can go with the add operation as well. So I'll just go with my set mm, dot add of, let me go with 4, right? Let me go with 4. So I'll again, let me go with print. Let me pass the variable name here, my set. So this is fine. We have to get the output 1 2 3 4. So finally we have one more operation, removing an element from the set. We can just make use of the remove, the keyword remove. So I'll just give your variable name my set dot remove. So this is fine. 1 2 3 4 we have in the set, right? So now have 1 2 3 4. Let me remove 2. So this has to give us the output 1 3 4, right? So now let me print something. This will be print. Let me pass the variable name my set, right? So this has to give us the output 1 3 4, right? So this is fine. Yeah, we are done with the set part. So see here what we are doing. We are going with certain elements. So we have the duplicates for 2 and 3 here. So when I print my set, accordingly with the definition, it says they automatically remove duplicates and do not maintain order, right? So order will be same. It will be 1 2 3. 1 2 3 because duplicates will be removed and order will be 1 2 3, right? So this is fine. So we are next, we are going with the add and remove operations that the set provides. Basically when we add, so now we have 1 2 3 in the set. After adding the element 4, we have to get 1 2 3 4. We are going with the remove element. Now we have 1 2 3 4 in the set. When we remove 4, we need to get when we remove 2, we need to get 1 3 4 in the set, right? 1 3 4 in the set. So let me run the code. Let's see what output we get here. So let me come here. Let me copy the file name, python file name dot py. See here, first we got 1 2 3, which is absolutely correct as I've said. Next we are going with the add operation. We have added 4. We are getting 1 2 3 4. Next we are removing the element 2 from the set. We have got 1 3 4 as output, which is absolutely correct, right? So this is it for the sets, right? So now we are done with the set. We are done with the sets topic basically, right? So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. Just remember this one sentence, man. What are sets? Basically sets are unordered collection with unique elements and no duplicate values. Simple. Again, sets are unordered collections with unique elements and no duplicate values, right? So this is it for the sets. Next we'll be discussing about the dictionary, also known as dict, right? So for now this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.